In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue where Discord only works when you are connected to a VPN. First, restart your network connection. Disconnect from your VPN, then restart your router or modem. Wait a few minutes for your internet connection to fully reset before trying to open Discord again. Sometimes temporary network routing issues can prevent Discord from connecting properly, and a simple restart can resolve the problem. Next, try changing your DNS settings. Launch Network Settings. Search for View Network Connections. Launch it. Now here, navigate to the internet that we're connected to. Right-click on it, go to Properties. Then head over to the option Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now here, select the option Use the following DNS server. In the preferred DNS server, type in 8.8.8.8 and in the alternative DNS server, type in 8.8.4.4. Save the changes and restart your computer. Another possible cause is a firewall or antivirus program blocking Discord. Open your Windows, search for Windows Defender Firewall, launch it. Now click on this option, Allow an app or features. Once you're over here, find Discord and make sure you have checked in for the option of public and private. Next, you should also flush your DNS cache and reset your network configuration. For that, search for command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Now here, type in the command prompt ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then type in another command prompt netishwindshock and press Enter. Once the commands have completed, restart your PC and launch the Discord again. This can fix networking issues caused by corrupted cache files or outdated network settings. Lastly, if these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete the Discord app. For that, launch Settings. Go to the section Apps, click on Install Apps, find the Discord from the list of apps, click on 3 dots, select the option Uninstall. Now navigate to the official website of Discord, click on Download for Windows, and complete the download as well as installation process. And that's it. These are some effective ways to fix Discord when it only works with a VPN. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.